Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today I am going to teach pair of linear equations in two variables. Let's see the definition. Two linear equations in the same two variables. Same two variables are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. Let's see the example. 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. In these two equations, we have the same variable x as well as y. So, in this equation, we have two variables. One is x, another one is y. And this also a linear equation and this also a linear equations. So, we call it as two pair of linear equations in two variables. Let's see the general form. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1 and c2 are real numbers such that a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0. a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. Next, the pair of linear equations in two variables can be represented and solved by the graphical method and algebraic method. In algebraic method, we have three methods for finding the root of the equation. The first one is substitution method. The second one is elimination method. The third one is cross multiplication method. Today we are going to learn substitution method. So what is meant by substitution method? A substitution method is a way of solving a system of equation by expressing the equations in terms of only one variable. In terms of only one variable. Exercise 3.3. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Look at the first one. X plus y equal to 14. X minus y equal to 4. Let us consider x plus y equal to 14. This is the first equation. X minus y equal to 4 is the second equation. The first equation implies y equal to 14 minus x. The plus x will change in other side minus x. This is third equation. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. X minus y value instead of x, instead of y you take 14 minus x equal to 4. So, x minus multiply by minus. So, minus into plus you will get minus 14, minus into minus plus x equal to 4. X plus x 2x minus 14 equal to 4. 2x equal to 4, the minus 14 will change plus 14. So, 2x equal to 4 plus 14, 18. X equal to 18 by 2 because multiplications will change other side division. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So, x equal to 9. Substitute x equal to 9 in equation 3. Equation 3. So, y equal to 14 minus, instead of x, you substitute the value 9. So, 14 minus 9, you get 5. So, the solution is x equal to 9, y equal to 5. Next, second question. S minus t equal to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. So, s minus t equal to 3 consider as equation 1 and s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6 consider as equation 2. See here fractions, in the form of fraction the equations will be there. So, make the denominator same, that is the first step. So, let us take the LCM. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Here the denominator is 3. You have to make the denominator as 6. So you multiply by 2. So 2 3s are 6. 2 into s, 2s. See here, denominator is 2. You have to make it into 6. So you multiply by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 into t, 3t equal to 6. Then cross multiply. 2s plus 3t equal to 6 into 6, 36. This is equation 2. The first equation implies s equal to 3 plus t. Look at your first equation, s equal to 3. The minus t will change other side plus t. So s equal to 3 plus t. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. The second equation implies 2 into 3 plus t. Instead of s, you substitute the s value 3 plus t plus 3t equal to 36. Multiply this. 2 3s are 6. 2 into t, 2t plus 3t equal to 36. 2t plus 3t will get 5t. 6 plus 5t equal to 36. 5t equal to 36, the plus additions will change other side minus. So plus 6 will change minus 6. 5t equal to 36 minus 6 you get 30. So t equal to 30 divided by 5 because multiplication will change other side division. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So t equal to 6. Substitute t equal to 6 in equation 3. So equation 3, s equal to 3 plus t. So by s equal to 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 you get 9. So the solutions of the pair of equation is t equal to 6, s equal to 9. Exercise 3.3, third question. 3x minus y equal to 3, 9x minus 3y equal to 9. Let us consider 3x minus y equal to 3 is the first equation. 9x minus 3y equal to 9 is the second equation. The first equation implies 3x equal to 3. The minus subtractions will change other side addition. So 3 plus y. So x equal to 3 plus y divided by 3 because multiplication will change other side division. Substitute equation 3. This is we are considering equation 3. So substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So 9 into, instead of x value, 3 plus y by 3 minus 3y equal to 9. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. After that you multiply these two elements. So 3 3s are 9 plus 3 into y, 3y minus this 3y equal to 9. So plus 3y minus 3y, both the numbers have different side, both the numbers have different side, so you cancel this. So 9 equal to 9, in both the sides we are getting same values, both the sides are equal also. So this statement is true. So the pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. This is the solution for this type of equations. And next one, fourth question, 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. In before the equations we have the whole numbers, but in these equations they given the decimal number. So first you convert into whole number, after that you solve it. It is very easy to solve this. So what we will do, the first equation it has only one decimal, so you have to multiply by 10. So the first equation I am going to multiply by 10. So 0.2 into 10, what you will get? 20. Here one decimal is there, so you keep, so you will get 2. So 2x plus 3y equal to 13. 4x 5y equal to 23. So now I am consider this is the equation 3 and this one is equation 4 and equation 4. So equation 3 implies 3y equal to 13 minus 2x. So y equal to 13 minus 2x divided by 3 because multiplication will change in division. Substitute equation 5 in equation 4. So 4x plus 5 into, instead of y you substitute the value. So 13 minus 2x by 3 equal to 23. We can't cancel this numerator and denominator. So what you will do, you multiply the terms, after that you divide by 3. So 5 into 13, 65. 5 into minus 2x will get minus 10x. See here, this is a whole number but it is a fraction. So you have to take LCM. So here denominator is 1, here denominator is 3. So LCM is 3. So 3 into 4 you will get 12. 3 4s are 12x plus 65 minus 10x equal to 23. Because here already denominator 3 is there, no need to multiply by 3 here. So after that you see here 12x, here minus 10x. So plus 12 minus 10 you will get 2. So 2x plus 65 divided by 3 equal to 23. 2x plus 65 equal to cross multiply. 3 into 23 you will get 69. So 2x equal to 69. This additions will change other side subtraction. So minus 65. 69 minus 65 you get 4. So 2x equal to 4, x equal to 4 divided by 2 because multiplication will change the other side division. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So x equal to 2. And substitute x equal to 2 in equation 5. Equation 5. So y equal to 13 minus 2 into 2 divided by 3. So 13 minus 2 twos are 4 divided by 3. 13 minus 4 you get 9. 9 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So answer is y equal to 3. So the solution is x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Next question number 5. Root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. Let us consider root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0 is the first equation. Root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0 is the second equation. The first equation implies root 2x, I kept it left hand side, equal to 0 minus root 3y. It will change 0 minus root 3y. So 0 minus root 3y you will get minus root 3y. So directly I written here. So x equal to minus root 3. This root 2 divided by root 2. Coefficient of x, multiplication, that is multiplications will change the other side division. So x equal to minus root 3 divided by root 2 into y. This is equation 3. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So root 3 into x, instead of x you substitute the value minus root 3 by root 2 into y minus root 8 into y equal to 0. Here you multiply this root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 you will get 3. And see the symbol here, plus. Addition is there, subtraction is there. So plus into minus you will get minus. So minus 3 divided by root 2 into y minus the root 8, how can you return? Root 8 equal to root of 2 into 2 into 2. Express first like that. After that this is square root. So out of this you will, out of 2 you will take 1 out. So 2 into root 2. So instead of root 8 you can write 2 into root 2. That's why I applied here. So minus 2 root 2 y equal to 0. Now we have to take LCM. So here denominator is 1. So you take the LCM root 2. So minus 3y minus, here look at here, 2 root 2 into root 2. So what you will do here, coefficient is 1. So the whole number first you multiply. 2 into 1 you will get 2. Root 2 into root 2 you will get 2. So 2 2s are 4. That I written there. So minus 3y minus 4y divided by root 2 equal to 0. Then cross multiply. 0 into root 2 you will get 0. So minus 3y minus 4y equal to 0. So minus 3 minus 4, what is the answer? Minus 7. So minus 7y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 divided by minus 7, because multiplication will change in division. So 0 by any number you will get 0. Substitution y equal to 0 in equation 3. So x equal to root 3 by root 2 into, instead of y you substitute 0. 0 into any number you will get 0. So the solution is x equal to 0, y equal to 0.